All right, so last time we learned about the time, isn't it? We learned about time and we learned the basic calculation related to time. Okay, so today we are going to continue the same thing. All right, we shall learn now. We shall learn some calculations related to time. All right, so you all will look on the screen. Okay, so today we are going to learn about time conversion. Okay, so before that, let me share you one video. So you all will go to your chat box. All right, so there I shall send you one link and you just watch the video. Okay, did you get the point? I will give you one link on your chat box. You can go to your chat box. All right, I shall send you one link, YouTube link, and you just watch video. All right, so that is, I guess that is 7 minutes long, so please watch that video. All right, let me share the link. Okay. First of all, please see that video. Okay, we are learning time conversion today. All right.
But the video is finished. I have
Okay, then
already
wait.
watched.
Okay, yes, wait for a while. Just let other students watch video. Okay.
Sir, finished.
Okay, that's great. Be patient. Okay, let other students watch video. So,
Sir, but we
all
have
right.
already learned that, no?
Yes, I know that. Okay, because some of you might not have watched that video, so because of the reason, I wanted you to watch that video again. Okay. Anyway, so I hope you people completed that video. All right. Now let me give you some more examples related to time. All right. All right. So do you hear me?
Yes, sir. आजको chapter कुन हो?
We are learning time conversion. Okay. Who is that boy? Which is speaking, by the way? Sandeep. Is that Sandeep? Is that Sandeep
Yes,
Karki?
sir.
Today we are learning time
Yes,
conversion. Okay. Today we are learning time conversion, right? We are learning how to convert time, how to convert minute into second, how to convert hour into minute, day into hour. All right, so that is for time conversion. Okay. Anyway,
okay, sir.
now let me share the screen. So please see on the screen. Let me give you some more examples related to time conversion. All right. I'm going to give some examples related to time conversion. So you all will look on the screen. Okay. So see that. Okay. Now do not talk. Right. Just focus. Focus on the screen. Look on the screen. All right. All right. Now, time conversion. Time conversion, okay? Today we are going to convert time, all right? Going to perform the calculation related to time. Let me give. So before that, you'll have to understand this value, okay? So 1 day equals to how many? 1 day equals how many hours? 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yes, that's good. 1 hour equals to how many minutes?
60 seconds.
minutes.
60 seconds.
No, 60
60
minutes.
minutes.
Good.
Oh, no.
1 minute equals to,
Second.
do not make noise, please. It is
60
equal to
seconds.
60 seconds. So these are the values. You'll have to memorize this value, okay? All right. So you just have to keep these values in your mind. Now, let me give you one example. Example number 1. Let's say Ram studied for 3 hours. Let's say Ram studied for 3 hours. How many minutes did he study? This is the question. So you see the question there. Ram studies for 3 hours. Ram studied for 3 hours, all right?
120 minutes.
See there. Ram studied for 3 hours. Okay, non-stop, like he studied for 3 hours. Now question says, how many minutes did he study? So the question is asking you to convert this 3 hour. All right, you can see there. The question wants you to convert 3 hours into minutes. The question is asking you to convert 3 hours into minutes. So this is the question. You should know that we know. So 1 hour equals to how many minutes? As I told you earlier, 1 hour equals to
60 minutes.
That's
60
good.
minutes.
Yes,
60 minutes.
that's right. So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. But the question is wanting you to convert 3 hours into minutes. So 3 hours equals to how many minutes?
180.
3
Equals
180.
to, yes,
3
yes.
into 60.
3 into
Yes,
60,
that is,
180.
yes. Yeah, all right, that's great.
180.
3 into 60
180.
minutes,
180.
isn't it?
180.
And when you multiply this, the answer comes 3 into
180.
yes, equal to should be at right place. 3 into 60 equals to 180 minutes.
Therefore,
Right.
3 hours equals to 180 minutes.
Yes. Therefore, in the end, 3 hours equals to 180 minutes, right? So this is the final answer. Do you have any confusion?
No,
Okay,
sir.
this is yes, that's great. Now this is example number 1. Now let us go to example number 2. All right, example number 2, you just see, look on the screen. Okay, example number 2. Suppose, let's say Anis, we have a boy, we have a student named Anis. Okay, Anis,
Yes, sir.
yes, Anis played
Yes.
Anis
Yes, sir.
Anis played football. Let's say Anis played football for 180 minutes.
180 minutes.
Okay, he is playing football for 180 minutes. All right, now how many hours has he been playing
Sir, can I?
football? No, let me just, I shall do it, you just see. Okay, so this is the question again. Anis played football for Anis is playing, you can say Anis is playing football for 180 minutes. This is the question. Anis is playing football for 180 minutes. How many hours has he been playing football for? Okay, so it is the question. So question says, Anis is playing football for 180 minutes. Okay, Anis is a boy who loves to play football and he's playing football for 180 minutes, all right? And the question says, how many hours has he been playing football? So that means you'll have to convert this 180 minutes into hours, all right? 180 minutes, that has to be converted into hours. So that is the question. See there, 180 minutes, that has to be converted into, let me give another color. Okay, 180 minutes, that has to be converted into hours. All right, hours. All right, let me give another color. Let's say this color. Okay, now we know that, see that, so 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 1 hour equals to
60 minutes.
Yes,
60
that's
minutes.
right, 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
60 minutes, yeah.
Now see there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 180 minutes. 180 minutes equals to how many hours? That 180
Equals to
no,
3
no,
hours.
listen.
3 hours.
Yeah,
3
yeah,
hours.
divided. Yeah, listen.
Divide.
Yes, in this case we'll have to divide by 60. So divide. Let me insert the division sign. Okay, not this one, symbol. So this is division sign. So 180, that to be divided by 60.
60.
Okay. Now what happens when 180 that is divided by 60?
3.
Yes, the answer comes. You should
3.
keep equal to at right place. Okay, the answer comes 3 hours. So this is another example. All right, now let me give you one more example. Okay, example number 3. Example number 3. is the earth is rotating, or you can say revolving. The earth is revolving. The earth is revolving, or you can say the moon. Let's say moon. Okay, the moon is revolving around the earth for 27 days. The moon is revolving around the earth for 27 days. How many hours has it been revolving the earth? So look at the question there. The moon is revolving. Revolving means to rotate around, okay? To move around. The moon is revolving around the earth for 27 days. Okay, let me give another color so that you'll be clear, all right? So let's say, all right, the moon is revolving around the earth for 27 days. How many hours? Now you'll have to convert days into hours, all right? How many hours? How many hours has it been revolving the earth? So look at the question there. You'll have to convert days into hours, all right? You'll have to convert days into hours. You know that 1 day equals to how many hours? 24
hours.
hours, all right? So 1 day equals 24 hours. So how many days are there? 27 days, right? 27 days equals to, you'll have to multiply 27
Into 24.
That becomes hours, right?
Hours.
Yes, isn't it? So if you multiply what answer comes? Can you say?
648.
You'll have to multiply, okay? I think you people are using calculator, are you?
No.
648.
Is it? Let me see. You'll have to equal to should be at right place, all right? You should put equal to exactly below the previous equal to, okay? Yes. Now, let me multiply.
Yes, sir. 648.
27
Sir,
into
648.
24. Yes.
648.
That's great. That is 648 hours. SOU. Yes. So this is the final answer. Are you clear? Okay. Okay. Let me give you fourth example. Okay. Example number 4. Are you getting the example? Bujiracho? Students, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you another example. Okay. Now let me twist this question. Okay. Let me reverse this question. The moon has been revolving around the moon has been revolving around the earth the is repeated. Let me rub this. Okay, the moon has been revolving around the earth for, let's say, 648 hours. How many days has it been revolving? Now look at this question. Okay, look at this question. Okay, this question is the reverse of this previous question. Okay, all right. Can you? Question number 4 is the reverse opposite of question number 3. See that the moon has been revolving around the earth for 648 hours. Now we'll have to convert this 648 hours into days. You can see days here. All right. Look at the question there. The moon has been revolving around the earth for 648 hours. How many days has it been revolving? All right. So see that solution. What you can write there. We just a second, please. We know. So 1 day equals how many hours? 24.
24 hours.
That's good. Now 648 hours equals to,
648 divided by 24.
that is great. 648. Let me insert sign. Okay. Divide 648 divided by
Divided by 24.
10, isn't it?
Hours.
10 or 24?
24.
24.
I think 25.
No, 24.
I think 20,
Sir,
48.
because 1 day has 24 hours, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
We have
That
to
is,
convert in days.
yes, that's wonderful. Great. Okay, I was expecting that answer. Yes, it is 24. All right. Now it becomes what? Day. So it becomes days. All right. Now equal to should be at right place. All right. This is equal to. So when 648 that is divided by 24, what answer comes? It is
Sir, 27 days.
27 days.
27 days.
So this is our final answer. All right. So this is how we convert time. Okay. So this is
Yes,
example.
sir.
These are the examples. All right. So we learned many examples today, 4 examples. So let me go to the screen again. Let me go to the camera. All right now. Okay, students, are you clear about today's calculation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Seriously,
sir.
if you are unclear, then please tell me. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
please, please keep it in your mind that 1 day equals to. Listen to me, please. Keep it in your mind that 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So please, you'll have to memorize this value and then you will be able to convert. Okay, so see
Yes,
there.
sir.
Let me see screen once again. Okay, let me share the screen. See on the screen, please. I forgot to mention one thing. All right. See there. See there. Okay, let me tell you one thing. So see there. Bigger to smaller.
Multiply.
Yes, you'll have to multiply by the corresponding value. Okay.
Yeah.
Multiply by the. All right. Now smaller to bigger.
Divide. Dividing by corresponding value.
Yes, you'll have to divide
By corresponding value.
by
Divide
Corresponding
by the
value.
corresponding value. For example, see there. Okay. So day is bigger. So this is bigger sign. All right. Day is bigger than what? Hour. And again, hour is bigger than. This
Minutes.
is bigger sign. This is bigger sign. You know this sign, isn't it?
Yeah.
Day is bigger than hour, isn't it?
Yeah.
And again, hour is bigger than minute.
Yeah.
And again, minute is bigger than seconds.
Second.
So in this case, so see here, bigger, day is bigger. Let me give color, okay, so that it will be clear for you, all right? So, let me give, let's say, green, okay. Day is bigger than hour, okay, and again, hour is bigger than minute, and again, minute is bigger than day, hour, minute, and minute is bigger than seconds. So, let me give another color. Let's say purple, okay. So, see here. So, while you are converting day into hour, so day is bigger, hour is smaller or not?
Yes,
Day is
sir.
bigger, hour is smaller or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this case, you'll have to multiply by 24 because one day equals to how many hours?
24
24 hours. That's
hours.
great. Yes, 24 hours. And again, hour into minute. What do you have to do? Hour into minute. You'll have to multiply by.
Multiplied by 60.
60.
And again,
60
minute into
multiply by
second.
60.
Minute into second.
Multiply by 60.
Multiply by 60. And reverse. Reverse. Reverse means what? Reverse
Divide
means
by
second.
minute. Second into
reverse.
minute, minute into hour. I mean
Yes.
minute divided by hour.
Reverse, you'll have to divide, okay?
Yeah.
To divide. Divide by the corresponding value, all right? So if you are converting, let's say for example, if you are converting, let's say hour to day, you'll have to divide by 24, isn't it? Right? So let me check the spelling, okay? Similarly, hour to day, you'll have to divide by 24. Similarly, minutes to hours, you'll have to what? Again, divide by
60.
60, right? And again, seconds to minute.
60 divide by 60.
60, same.
Yes.
Divide by
Divide by
60. 60.
by 60. That's great. Let me check his spelling, okay? All right. So this is the final. These are the, you'll have to understand this, okay? So hour to day, divide by 24, minutes to hour, divide by 60, seconds to minute, divide by 60. Okay, students, let me come to the screen again. So are you clear about that one?
Yes, sir.
Mohit, Mohit Jung. Hello, Mohit, are you there? Are you clear, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mohit, that's great. All right, wonderful. So let me give you one class work, okay? Please go to your chat box. Let me give you one question and you just solve it and tell me the answer, okay? So go to your chat box. Let me give you one question. Convert.
Ma'am, we have to give the answer in chat box or what?
No, you can tell me. You can convert on your, you can write on your copy and just tell me the answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Or
sir.
you can show me the solution also.
Okay, sir. Sir, but where is the question?
Yeah, I'm typing, don't worry. Okay, now there you go. You can see, okay? Convert 2 days into minutes. Take your time. I give you 2 minutes, okay?
2 days into minutes.
Yes.
2 days into
Days into minutes. How do you do? Let me see.
2 days into minutes. Okay. I have to do it.
Jyotsna, you did not
Yes,
get the
sir.
question? Please solve it. Write on a copy and show it to me, okay?
Okay.
Sir, 2 days into minutes, yeah?
That's right. 2 days into minutes.
मुझको कॉपी सब किताब से उठते ही कल से
Samir, how are you doing? Samir Shrestha. Is there Samir Shrestha?
Sir, I have completed.
Okay. Oh, is that Nisabd? I got the solution from Nisabd. Okay.
Sir, I
right.
also completed.
Okay.
I mean, I completed.
Okay. What was the question actually? What was the question I gave you? Convert.
Convert 2 days
Minutes.
Convert 2 days into minutes. All right.
Minutes.
Okay. All right. That's great. Convert 2 days into
minutes.
minutes. See, have you done? So what answer you calculated, by the way?
1440.
2 days into minutes.
800. 2880.
Is it?
Yeah.
Seriously? Is that
Yeah.
you have you done by yourself or you got help from someone else? You don't
No,
have you
sir.
done by yourself? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we shall check the answer. Don't worry. All right, we shall check the answer. Don't worry. So did everybody finish the? Did everybody finish it? Did everybody finish it? Did everybody do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I shall solve it. You just see on the screen, okay? And you check your answer. If it is right or wrong, you just check it. All
I've
right?
done here, no, sir.
Okay, fine. No, I can see that, but you just check. Let me
You
solve
can
it by my.
see.
Okay, see that. Let me have this. Where it is? All right. Now, the question was. This was the question, I think. Convert. Sorry, what was it? 2 days to minutes.
2 days into minutes.
Yes, this is the question, right? This was the question, isn't it? So this is the question. Q. Now let me give another color, okay, so that you'll be clear. Okay, so this was the question. So you know what? First of all, day should be converted. Day, listen, we'll have to follow the step. Day should be converted to hours,
Hours.
and again, and finally hours.
Into minutes.
Yes, 2
Hours should be
minutes.
converted into minutes.
That's great. So see, you can see the process there. So 2 days. 2 days equals to what? 2 into 24 hours.
24
Good.
hours.
Now 2 into 24,
48.
what is the answer? Yes, that's great.
48
It's
hours.
48. Yes,
48 hours.
right. Right, 48 hours. Now this is not the end. This is not our solution, okay? We'll have to convert this again out into minutes. Again, go to next step. 48. When you multiply hour into 60, then that becomes minute, isn't it?
Minutes.
Yes. Now what is the answer? 48 into 60.
2880. 2880.
2880.
Okay, let me check. 48 into 60. 2880. 2880 minutes. So therefore, 2 days equals to 2880 minutes.
Minutes.
So this is our final answer. So students, are you clear about this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we do it, okay? You'll have to follow the pattern, okay? You'll have to follow the step, otherwise you might get wrong answer, okay? Okay, students, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Sagun, are you clear? Sagun, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mega. Samir, are you clear? Samir, you are very far from the camera. It feels that you are in America and we are in Nepal, very far. Okay, completely close to the camera, okay? That's great. Very good. Wonderful. Great. So students, we are almost end of today's classroom. So I shall give you some assignment. You please complete your assignment, okay? And the measurement, this lesson is over, okay? The lesson number 1, we have finished our lesson number 1. Now in next class, we shall study. We shall learn. We
Sir,
shall
what is the due date?
you'll get like today is Sunday, isn't it? So before next class, all right? 1 day earlier, okay? Let's say, suppose your next class is on Monday, you'll have to submit by Sunday, next Sunday. Are you clear?